Welcome, guys. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how you could set up your WhatsApp auto responder. My name is Stanley. I'm a digital marketing expert. I share my experience on this page, and I also share some digital marketing skills that could actually help you to improve the way you run your business. So, if these are the kind of videos you would love to watch, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button if you've not done so, and then put your notification bell so you'll be among the first persons to see my content when it comes live. Okay, so how to set up your WhatsApp auto responder. So the first thing we need to know what an auto responder is. Okay, so an auto responder is a powerful tool that allow users to automate their messages on popular platforms like WhatsApp. With this tool, you can set up rules that automatically replies to incoming message. Okay, this autoresponder helps you to reply to messages, okay, from your customers, even if you're not online. Okay, even if you're online or offline, this autoresponder help you to reply to messages from your customers. So how does this work? You need to set the rules. Okay, you need to input some keywords, and you tell the responder what to do whenever somebody sends some kinds of messages to you, what to do, the kind of reply they're going to give to that particular customer. You could actually tell, when a customer want to make an inquiry about a product, you could actually set the rule that whenever a customer want to make an inquiry about a particular product, this autoresponder will go ahead to explain about this product to this customer. So you've done all this at the back end. You're going to set it up, set the rules, and you give this autoresponder a time interval to reply um, your customer. So whether you're asleep, your autoresponder does the work for you. So I believe as a business owner, this is one of the things you actually want to help you improve the way you run your business. You know, a lot of sales are going on WhatsApp, and I believe you don't want to miss out. So some customers might chat you up in the middle of the night. Your auto responder will be there to reply them. Okay, so you just need to set the rules, set everything down for your auto responder to do. So whenever the message comes in that are similar to those keywords, similar to those words you've already set up, autoresponder will reply your customer even in your absence. So that's one most important thing about this. Okay, whether you're there or not, it responds to these customers. So guys, I want to leave this my too much talks now. I'll go straight to my phone. I'll use my mobile device to show you how you could get this set up. I'll show you how to state the rules and everything and how it's going to work. And after it, we are going to test run it so you could actually see how it works and you practice it from your end. I believe this video is going to be helpful. So for you to get more from this, make sure you stick around to the end of this video so you could actually see how I did it and how I set the rules and set it up. Okay, so let's go to my mobile device. Alright guys, so this is the app here, the auto responder app here, as you can see. That is how the app looks like. So I'm going straight into the app here to show you how it works and how you could actually set it up. Alright, so to set it up, you come over to this section, you click on this plus sign below here. So once you click on it, it gives you an option here where you have to input a kind of a question and a reply. Okay, so to get this, actually you need to go with this option here, similar. Okay, similar match. Okay, so let's put a word here, a sentence here. Okay, I saw I saw your product. I saw your Facebook ads about okay, let's use Eliza Dicer products. So before using this kind of words like this, now I normally use this whenever I'm running, for example, an engagement ad where I have to use direct my traffic to my WhatsApp. At the end of the day, I will input the WhatsApp link. I will input this the wire link. I'll use a wire link to create a unique link that always comes with a message. Whenever someone clicks on it, the message is going to appear on the receiver's end, and what you just need to do is to include your name or edit and just send it to the receiver. Okay, so now you are going to impute this. When I'm running my Facebook ads engagement ad, I'll impute this word. I saw your product ads I saw your Facebook ad about a nicer Dasa product, so I will impute it in my wire link while creating my unique link. So that's what I'm going to put there. So when I come to this end, I will put a reply here, down here, a reply here. So whenever someone sends this message to me, this is the reply they're going to get. Okay, it's going to be what should I use here? Okay, welcome to Standstill. No. So your order have been received, comma, our delivering our customer rep will reach out to you. Will reach out to you. Reach out to you in 2 to 4 working days. So let me see if I write it correctly. Welcome to Standstill. Your order have been received. Our customer will reach out to you. In 2 to 4 working days. Okay, that is going to be the reply. Just remember what I said here. When running your ads or your ads campaign, engagement ad in particular, you use your wire link to generate a unique link that always come with this sentence. Okay, I'll leave a description. I'll leave a description in this video description. I'm going to leave a link that will show you how to create a wire link. Okay, the wire link is a kind of a unique WhatsApp link. Okay, so I'll do a separate video for that. Okay, so what do I do here? I would come over to this section. I'll just indicate the seconds, like the time intervals that this responder is going to reply my customer whenever they send this message. I saw your Facebook ads about a nicer Disa. Okay, so I'll give it a 5 seconds. Okay, let me give it a 5 seconds. Right, so after doing that, the reason why I use similar match here is because some of this customer, even when they click on your link and they are directed to your WhatsApp and they will see this message like this, sometimes they might even edit it or change it and all that before sending to you. So the reason why I use similar, in the case where they edit this particular word here, sentence here, whatever way they try to edit it, this autoresponder is going to get the keywords, the necessary keywords. Okay, and once they get it, in the next 5 seconds you'll be getting the reply. Welcome to Standstill. Your order have been received. Our customer rep will reach out to you in 2 to 4 working days. So now I'm going to set this up, then I'll go and test it. Okay, so you're not sure. Okay, let's go to click on this green sign here, then we come to this 3 line here, to this bar, the menu bar, then we come to test your rules. Okay, so I'll just come here. I saw your Facebook ad. On the nicer Disa product. Okay, let me give this a capital letter. Now so there is products. So I'll click on send. Now wait for the reply. Okay, so after 5 seconds, you're going to get a reply. See the reply pops up. Welcome to Stan Store. Your order have been received. Our customer rep will reach out to you in 2 to 4 working days. So you could actually go ahead to still give this supplier instructions. Okay, you are going to set these rules. Okay, you tell the customer what to do. You set these rules and all that. So whatever words they're using here, whatever reply they're giving you here, they'll be getting whatever statement or questions they're asking you here, they'll be getting the reply. So the autoresponder is going to reply them immediately after 5 seconds. So this works. It works for everyone. It can work for you in a case where you are running an advert and you're directing that ad traffic to your WhatsApp. All you just simply need to do is to create a wire link and set up your autoresponder. So autoresponder will be doing the reply and the rest of it. You ask your customer what to do, ask them to take action, and the rest you can actually do it from your back end here on the autoresponder. All you need to do is to set the rules and everything will be done. Okay, so guys, I believe you find this content useful. So if you do find it useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also put a notification bell so you'll be among the first to see content like this whenever I post them. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye.